Bon, voici de la voiture. La neige qui est tombée ce beau week-end. En voulez-vous de la neige? En voilà. Ça, c'est... I was stuck, locked in place over the weekend because my contractor, snow removal contractor, was overwhelmed and he did his best. So there was enough snow that I couldn't go anywhere. And this is the primary road to the main highway to get me out of here. So it gives you an idea of what it's like. So I was a neighbor thinking of it. Yep, lots of it. And there'll be nice heap of snow when I get up here and going down on the other side. Beautiful. Well, you don't have to shovel it. That's the day after. Or the day after. Yeah. It was Saturday or Monday. Oops, don't go too fast here. Not much space for a couple of cars together at the same time. Okay, and I'm getting to the main highway here. Just at the end of the road. There we are. Yep. Done.